Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. 1. Finishes continuation. 2. Painting. 3. Services. 4. External works. 5. Day works. 6. Soil investigation. 1. Finishes continuation. Ceiling finishes, suspended or drop ceiling. A typical suspended ceiling or drop ceiling system consists of a metal framework that hangs from the soffit of the suspended slab at a minimum depth of 100 mm below the slab to support the ceiling panels or ceiling tiles. The 100 mm clearance depth between the ceiling and the soffit of the suspended slab shall be varied depending on the sizes of services, pipes, ducts and diffusers running under the soffit of the slab. In areas where suspended ceilings are installed, the connected masonry wall plaster finishes shall be carried up to 10 mm above the suspended ceiling. The minimum height of the suspended ceiling from the finished floor level is to be 2.3 meter. The unit of measurement of the suspended ceiling is in meter squares. 2 number operatives can complete 15 meter squares of suspended ceiling per 1 day. When essential to get optimum benefit of aesthetic appearance, acoustic and insulation qualities, an experienced specialist ceiling contractor's advice is required. They can provide the operative skills and resources and their considerable experience on similar projects. Then we must explore the facts that influence the cost. The below guide is for metal frame and 600 mm by 600 mm gypsum board suspended ceiling. Example: the cost of an exposed grid metal frame 600 mm by 600 mm gypsum tile suspended ceiling system per 1 meter square. The cost of the metal frame of the suspended ceiling per 1 meter square. The cost of the 600 mm by 600 mm gypsum ceiling tile per 1 meter square. The cost of the labor per meter square equal the cost of 2 number operatives per 1 day divided by 15 meter squares. The cost of scaffolding per meter square. Rate to include 4 gypsum tile cornice if required. Therefore, the cost of exposed with metal frame suspended ceiling per meter square equals the cost of metal frame plus 600 mm by 600 mm gypsum tile plus the cost of labor plus the cost of scaffolding. 2. Painting. The color decoration will impact the overall space of the wall and it grabs the look bigger or smaller. Therefore, painting is the final finish of wall decorations in most construction projects. Generally, in the building industry, there are 4 types of paintings: interior, exterior, wood and anti-corrosive for indoor and outdoor wall and ceiling decorations. Emulsion paint, an exterior paint that is made of pigment, solvent and binders to have a film of paint on the wall. Weather shield paint, an exterior paint with a load sheen design to provide a tough wearing finish that protects from any weather conditions. Enamel paint for wood or metal is long lasting and gives the surface a glossy look. Anti-corrosive paint is applied to protect solid metal surfaces against highly corrosive environments. Some paints are based on alkyd coating, oil-based, and are used as primers for atmospheric environmental conditions. Also, some paints are water-based acrylic coating and eco-friendly and are mostly used outdoors where areas are extremely exposed to sunlight. Coverage of wall paint given below is theoretical. Wastage of paint for fills and evaporation to be assumed as 25% and not considered below. 1 liter of primer 1 undercoat covers 10 meter squares. 1 liter of immersion paint 2 coats covers 8 meter squares. 1 liter of weather shield exterior paint 2 coats covers 6 meter squares. 1 liter of enamel paint for timber doors 2 coats covers 5 meter squares. The time area coverage of interior paint for 1 number painter and 1 number unskilled laborer is 200 meter squares per day. For exterior painting, scaffolding is to be considered with the height of the wall. Internal wall painting. The paint used in the interior of the building such as rooms, hallways, corridors, pantries, kitchens and bathrooms called internal painting. Interior paints not only have more coverage and aesthetic look but also do not contain any substances that would harm human health. Example: cost of interior emulsion paint 1 undercoat and 2 top coats per meter square. The cost of primer undercoat per 1 meter square equals the cost of 1 liter of primer plus at 25% of the cost of wastage divided by 10 meter squares. The cost of 2 top coats of emulsion paint per 1 meter square equals the cost of 1 liter of emulsion paint plus at 25% the cost of wastage divided by 8 meter squares. The cost of labor per 1 meter square equals the cost of 1 day painter plus the cost of 1 day unskilled laborer divided by 200 meter squares. Therefore, the cost of applying interior emulsion paint per 1 meter square equals cost of primer undercoat plus cost of emulsion paint plus cost of labor. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. I would be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the field's necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something from this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to receive my upcoming videos and share with others too.